Hey guys, thanks for watching this brief tutorial from Hein Smart Homes about how to create a lighting schedule in your nice home automation app. So to get started, on the left here you'll see I have the desktop viewer for our nice demo system. Just a little bit info, weather, date, blah blah blah, 2 system modes, we're in home mode. So I'm going to go back to the main screen. This is going to look pretty similar to what you have in your house, either the mobile app or home control touchscreen. The only difference being potentially the theme that's selected. So that's about the only thing that should look any different. You might have different tiles too, depending on what's set up at your house versus this demo system. So there's 2 ways to get into the lighting scheduler. One way is through the settings, which you might have been looking through already to find it. So if you click on the ellipses, you'll right away see lighting settings. Tap that and then go to lighting schedule, and there you are. So it's pretty straightforward to get into it. At the top, you'll see your system modes. You might have more than just home and away. You might have home, away, do not disturb, vacation, whatever's been set up for you. But you can create schedules in any of those home modes. You'll see that it's selected by the highlighting underneath of it. The other way to get into lighting schedules is a little bit faster. If you just go directly into the main lighting area, here's what we have set up. You'll see a calendar in the top right. Tap that and right away you're into lighting schedule. It's exactly the same area as going through the settings. It's just a slightly quicker way. But it's not like one is going to make different schedules. They're both the same area. They work exactly the same because they are the same thing. So I'm going to delete both of these just to start from scratch with you for the demo. So once again, I'm in making schedules for the home system mode. I'm going to tap the plus for a new schedule. Here we have new period at the top. I'm going to tap the pencil to name it. This one's going to be front porch sunset. So we named it. Now we're going to pick the schedule options. If something is highlighted, it's selected. If it's black, it's not selected. So these bottom ones, you can only pick one of them. So we're going to pick sunset. All the days are selected because we want this to happen every day. And then this plus or minus is just an offset. So right now +0 means it's going to happen at sunset. And the controller knows when sunset is in your area. So for me, sunset's going to happen at 7 o'clock, but I want this schedule to fire a little bit after that. So I'm going to increase the offset to 15 minutes. And you don't have to do the math, it does it for you. It tells you when sunset is, and it tells you based on the offset you've chosen when this schedule should fire. So every night at about 15 minutes after sunrise, or currently about 7:15 for me, this schedule will fire. So we set the schedule, but we haven't picked any lights yet. So it says 0 devices in scene, no commands. So we're going to tap on add devices. Here it lists all our lights, and these are just filters up at the top here. If you want, you could turn these off. Now it's not showing us any devices. I want to look through my scenes maybe. Okay, I tap scenes. Okay, I could pick any one of these scenes to go on that schedule, but I'm going to pick lights instead. As you probably noticed, shades are included. So if you have automated shades included in your nice system, you can set up a schedule for them as well, which is super handy. So for this one, we're going to include the front porch light. We're going to include a living room lamp in the corner, and we're going to turn on the outside corner light. We'll get out of there. So these are the lights we've selected. By default, they're set to off when they're included in a scene, so we need to tell it what to do. We want these 2 to turn on. This one's in the middle, the corner lamp. That one's a dimmer, so that's why it has a slider. We're going to set that to 50%. And that's it. We made the scene. It's as easy as that. We named it just to differentiate it from other scenes that we'll make later. And as you can see, when you go back, front porch sunset, 3 devices, sunset plus 15 minutes. We didn't do anything for the away mode. If you wanted to, you could make something in there for if you're away for the weekend and you want lights to come on randomly to look like someone's home. Great idea for security. But that's basically it. We'll make one more. I'll just show you how easy it is. I mean, that only took 3 minutes-ish, 3 or 4 minutes to go over with you. But if I copy this, I'm going to copy it to home, and I'm just going to rename it to front porch nightly off. So I'm going to go back into the schedule. I still want it to happen every day, but instead of being relevant or related to sunset time, I'm going to change it to an absolute time. So I'm going to change it to happen every day at 11 p.m. So now these same 3 lights are selected, but currently they're still set to on because I copied it from the other one. So I'm just going to set them to go off. And so what that's going to do is I renamed it. I set the schedule for every day at 11 p.m. and I set these 3 lights to turn off. So now I've got an automatic schedule for the lights that I chose relevant to sunset, and I've also got a nightly off set for them. So super easy to do. I know I kind of went through it pretty quickly, but honestly, once you do it the first time, it is very simple. You will easily get the hang of it. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions about us, please check out our website, hein.ca. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.